Hello, my name is Pierre, and today I'm going to show you a project of automation, N8N, SQL, and several other tools. I wanted to let you know that this automation that I did, it was a long time ago. So, of course, there will be things that I could not have improved. But here the important thing is the base, how I started and what my mentality was like. Let's go. The main automation is in this domain here, where it only exists on my computer, because for us to be able to integrate with the company's SQL database, we would have to have a credential of the SQL database, which only my computer has and other computers in the company. So we wouldn't be able to put it in an outside domain, which would be this one. From this, I created a query of registration data of customers who bought and their purchase was confirmed. Soon after we process this data, right? Here comes a very important part, which is the if, where there are several registrations during the day, several sales during the day, but there are those sales, those registrations, which do not have a telephone number. As we want to send it through the phone number, it could be an email, of course, but as we want to send it with the phone number, we want to discard all those registrations that do not have a phone number. So I put a basic if in here. I could put a filter. And from that, it starts to run a loop where it basically checks if there is that registration, if that registration has already been sent the message. If so, it follows the flow and sends it to the HTTP request. What is it? It automatically sends to our other domain, which is this domain here, this N8N. It will be able to communicate with other tools from outside. It's no longer inside my computer. It's on a server hosted elsewhere. And here we will have a webhook. It automatically connects with this N8On. Soon after, he sees if there is that registration. If that registration has already been sent a thank you message. If he goes to see the flow. If not, he discards it, because we don't want a duplication of data. Soon after, I created a JavaScript to be able to treat this phone number with the correct formatting. He will send a thank you message because the customer is Brazilian, okay? And here I was asking to, if I'm not mistaken, evaluate Google, my company's business, and then he sends it. That contact, that registration has already been sent to the thank you message so that there is no duplication of data. Why do I repeat it a lot? Because that was one of my main problems. There was a lot of duplication happening. A customer was receiving several thank you messages. I was able to solve this through Google Sheets. We could use other tools. It will depend on the customer's resource and the customer's needs. Okay, we could spend hours discussing how we could improve this, how we could optimize this for each type of customer. But in short, that would be it. And if you are interested in doing any kind of automation, send me a message here and let's talk.